Hey you guys, so I just heard the delivery man drive away, so I hope this is what I think it is. Oh, it is. So excited. Okay, let's bring this in. Hey you guys, so before we open this up, got Brody eating her lunch in the background there. I just wanted to tell you guys a quick little backstory of why I'm so excited about this parcel and what I have to share with you. So Revive Superfoods reached out to me not long ago and asked if I would be interested in sharing their products with you guys over here on YouTube. And so I checked out their website and what they were all about, and I was very excited. I said I'd be more than happy to share this because I think you guys are all going to love it just as much as I do. So before we unbox, Brody's getting upset. Before we unbox, I'm gonna share with you guys what I was so excited about over on their website. We'll unbox everything and try it out. Okay, so I have her down and I think I have her entertained for a little bit anyways. So I'm gonna flip you guys around, show you the website. When you go to revivesuperfoods.com, this is what you see. So it says, pick any of your favorite premium superfood cups, developed and balanced by our team of nutritionists and food scientists. And then wait for your delivery. So it comes in the box, just like right to your doorstep, just like I showed you guys. And then you blend and enjoy. So I just want to show you quickly, if you click on our story up at the top here, it says, and this is what I loved, Revive Superfoods began with an objective to take the hard work out of leading a healthy, balanced, and nutritious lifestyle. From recipe research, grocery shopping, to food prep, it's often easier to turn to quick fixes that are convenient but lack nutrition, which I am totally guilty of. We believe healthy eating doesn't have to be difficult. That's why Revive Superfoods delivers healthy, preservative-free smoothies in the most convenient format possible. Frozen, ready to blend, and right to your doorstep. So that right there was what sold me, because as lots of you guys know, I have 4 kids, 3 boys that are all in hockey, and a busy toddler. So, and I also work from home and am in the middle of starting a new business venture, which I'll hopefully be able to share with you guys very soon. But that is just a whole recipe for not having enough time to prepare myself healthy lunches. And so lots of the times I just grab quick, convenient, not so healthy. And this winter, our family has been sick with numerous things, and I feel like I'm just hanging on to it the longest, and it's probably because I put myself last. I usually I'll get everyone prepped, I'll get everyone's lunches, and then I just grab something if I eat anything at all. So yeah, let's open up this box, let's see what's inside, and maybe make a smoothie. Okay, so it comes with what looks like a freezer, like a thermal bag, and everything feels nice and cold in here. So there's a look inside. Let's take one of these out. Okay, so here's one of them, Pink Dragon, gluten-free, no sugar added, dairy-free, plant-based. And then if you look at the back, it gives you step, fill your cup to the top with preferred liquid. Tip, we use almond milk. So you can use, if you're not into almond milk, cashew milk, whatever you like. Step 2, toss contents into a blender and blend until smooth. Step 3, pour your smoothie back into your cup and enjoy. And if you notice, it has like a little place for a straw here. So that's really cool. So you have everything right here. You just need to blend it and add the liquid of choice. Oh, and then it says here, dragon fruit, strawberries, I think you lychee, kiwi, bananas, beets, chia seeds, flax seeds. Let's take out another one, see what else we have here. Okay, so here is grass is greener. This one has wheatgrass, mango, kale, pineapple, coconut oil, ginger, citric acid, zucchini, camu. Have never heard of that. Ooh, hint of mint and chocolate. Cool. Okay, so let's blend one of these up and then see how it tastes. And then I'll show you guys how, the different ways that you guys can order online, because it's pretty cool. And I also have a 60% off discount code for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, so I tossed all the cups in the freezer. saw this liquid gold one, which has turmeric and ginger in it, which I thought would be really good since I have been sick. So we're gonna blend this one up. And I currently don't have any almond milk or anything on hand, so I'm just using cow's milk. So if I was heading out the door, I'd toss on the lid and toss a straw in it, but I'm just at home chilling out. So let's just try this. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Highly recommend this one if you guys are going to try any. Liquid gold, this is so good. So what this one all has in it is carrot, mango, papaya, pineapple, ginger, turmeric, coconut oil, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pea protein. So all I can really taste in it is it tastes fruity, but not too sweet. And you can tell that there's carrots in there, but it's not like you know how carrots are in juice. That's kind of how it tastes. That is really good. I'm very happy with this. I can't wait to try more. So let's go online. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the ways that you can order and customize this for you. And then if you guys haven't already, make sure that you click down below on that subscribe button and then click the bell. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, because I'm going to keep you guys posted on how I'm liking these after I try all the flavors, which ones were my favorite, which ones I maybe didn't love so much. And I also have my most recent video of my teeth aligning journey. I recently got set up to get clear aligners at home. I will post the video in the link above as well as down below for you guys. So if you guys are interested in any of that, make sure that you guys subscribe so you guys can stay notified when new videos get posted. Okay, so let's check out the different ways that you guys can order these. So if you go up top in the right hand corner, it says create my box. And that takes you to how you can customize your plan. So it says number 1, choose your plan. So you can get 9, 12, or 24 cups a week at $6.75 per cup, or 12 or 24 per month, and that makes them $5.99 per cup. So let's choose the 9 cups. Start building your box. And then you can go through all of the different smoothies. So cool. So you can see all the ingredients, and when you click over top of it, it shows it blended. That is so cool. So here are just a few that you guys can quickly just see as I scroll through. Oh, super cool. I never noticed this before. So they have keto options. Love that. Berry patch bowl. Interesting. Okay, so you can pick all the different ones you want to add. If you want to add a couple, just add a whole bunch in here. Maybe you want to add 2 of one kind. Okay, we have 6 out of 9, 7. That one looks good. Let's add a keto. Let's add a keto one. Coconut cream. That sounds amazing. Okay. So then you go to checkout. And then it will have everything here. You fill out your shipping address. Okay, so once you've put all of your shipping and everything in here, you're going to notice up in this corner, this is all in Canadian dollars, so you could switch it to US, and then you're going to get a different total down on the right hand side. It goes from $51.75 US, $60.75 Canadian. So, you guys are gonna wanna make sure that you enter my promo code that I promised you. So if you enter Jamie, I'll put it up on the screen here, JAMI 60. You guys are going to save 60%. So that's an amazing discount. You guys are gonna save 60% on this order. So it's definitely worth a try. Check these out, see if you like them. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite ones are. I would love to hear what you guys love. Maybe there are different ones that I didn't get in my box that I'd like to try on my next order. So I would also like to thank Revive Superfoods for sending me these to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next Monday.